You should return them at some point, yes. Okay, but anyways, I was going to tell you a little bit about the summer studies 2017, what kind of possibilities you have. First of all, I think all of you are IT and Media Engineering Workspace. There actually were some announcements of, okay, the evening classes and enrollment of the year IT course offerings, and then down there somewhere down there. Oh, wait a minute. Summer Studies 2017. Okay, so this is just a kind of explanation what you should have read already. And the main thing or main offering for you as IT students is this one, Metropolia ICT Summer School. How many of you have checked the web page? Since it actually changes every day. Well, not that much anymore. We already know which courses will be there. Let me click that one open. And this ICT Summer School happens on August, first 3 weeks of August. Most of the courses are daytime. There is one course actually also on evening time, but this is August, so it could be also your one of the summer vacation weeks. Excellent way to spend your vacation. Right. And most of the courses are on the field of ICT. There are also some classes are about the culture or language. And this year we have Japanese and also some Spanish language classes there. But otherwise they are on the field of ICT. For example, that one, creating accessible digital contents, meaning what kind of things you should take care of when you are designing web pages or such kind of things. Like the first on that web development course, there was that question about accessibility. Okay, this is in practice hands-on thing, what you do for software or web page to make it accessible for everyone. Okay, we have a couple of Spanish teachers there from University of Alcalá. I was there last week. No, week before that. No, last week. Yeah, I was there last week. And basically finalizing the deal with them. So now we have the Eva and Antonia Garcia at teaching that topic on the first week. Okay, it's 5 hours a day or on the first week of August, just because we didn't dare to start on the last day of July. That's the time when the academic year changes. Okay, you can end up having all kind of trouble because of that. But anyways, this is on the first week, which is just 4 days, which means, well, 4 times 5 hours. Otherwise, those are 5 times 4 hours. Another one, Introduction to Digital Design using Deed Simulation Shoot. This is if you are interested in electronics design and simulations. There's a partner university in Genoa, Italy, and they have built this system during the last 20 years. Okay, it's not commercial, it's educational. So if you are interested on that kind of stuff, that is your chance. Then we have the Introduction to Japanese Language and Culture. We have a couple of the good partner schools in Japan. So basically, we have the student exchange program. So if you are interested in student exchange program, then you could also take the Japanese language and culture. Okay, this is entry level, so no need to know other than, konnichiwa and that kind of things beforehand. Okay. And there's actually two groups. Last year we got 40, or was it close to 50 students, and this is a language class. Okay, 50 students on one class for doing the hands-on language studies is not optimal. So this year we are basically having two different groups on 2 different weeks. Okay. Then digital signal processing, a German teacher. That's where I was about a month ago. So Frankfurt University Applied Sciences. Professor Junke has been here, coming to every single year since 1997 or something like that. Okay, just keeps coming and giving the same course. Digital signal processing, the fundamentals don't change that much. They haven't changed since 70s. Okay, so this is still current stuff. So it's also entry level. What you need to know before going there is something about the let's see, system theory, and not much actually, and then the familiar with complex numbers. Okay, that actually takes, I think this is 2 weeks, yes, 7 to 18, and it's 5 credits course. All right, then we have Introduction to Embedded Android Programming. This is not a mobile programming class. Absolutely no mobile stuff here. It's embedded Android, meaning Raspberry Pi kind of systems running Android. Okay, so I don't remember what kind of platform it was, but it wasn't Android. It wasn't this Raspberry Pi. It's something else. Although ARM core in any case. Yeah. Yeah. And then we have programming with pointers. Okay, about dynamic memory allocation in C language. This is more or less also on the embedded engineering kind of thing. So if you really need to make your own memory management for your programs. So, and well, in C, not C++, but C. So we are going actually talking about a kind of the manual management of memory. And this is something what you need to do with very small systems, say 8-bit processor systems or 16 bits. But if you have actually having a, say, Raspberry Pi or something like that, then, well, it might actually help understanding what's going on. And this also tells you or gives you some ideas why do you get still core dumps on the small processor systems. Okay, it's usually memory violation. USB devices, okay. So that's there we have a let's see, was it STM32 based? So anyways, ARM core processor system. I think this was made either by NXP or some other company. But anyways, the idea here is to make a embedded controller look like a USB device on the other end, like USB memory, or how to connect, for example, a sensor that sends data to computer using USB port. Okay, very practical thing. For example, for the okay, if you are familiar with Raspberry Pi, you already know that for example, it does not have any A to D converters. Okay, this is one way to add a to D converter there. You have a microcontroller which looks like it could even look like just a standard keyboard or whatever, and sending data in some standard way. Okay, next one, image processing with MATLAB. If you are a little bit familiar with MATLAB programming language, so it's kind of C-ish kind of programming language. It's a complete environment of doing all kind of stuff. Uh, this MATLAB is basically acronym from Matrix Laboratory, but it's also used quite widely in the industry doing some, say, measurements and such kind of things. For example, MATLAB is widely used, for example, in Vaisala, Kone, ABB, that kind of companies. It's a mathematics tool, but it's engineering mathematics. And then this is image processing is the topic for that one. So, and there we have a Japanese professor again. The USB device is given by a Lithuanian professor. Then we have this design of safe and reliable systems. In my opinion, this should be compulsory to all engineers to avoid all kind of, lawsuits afterwards. So this is actually now the trend is that everything should be, robots should be doing whatever things like. Now the trend is that robots will be co-working with people. So this actually covers a little bit also that area. So it's how a human and a robot can coexist on the same working area. Okay. But, well, there we have the Lego Mindstorms here. So the biggest problem is how to keep those robots safe from the students. Okay. And there we have our partner universities, the Bonn-Rhein-Sieg University of Applied Sciences. So it's in neither of those places. It's actually in Siegburg. Yes. Oh, near to Siegburg. Germany, anyways. Then, data structures and algorithms. That's one of the compulsory courses. At least it has been a compulsory course. I don't remember if it's a compulsory course for you anymore. But anyways, this is a really lucky situation since there we have a professor from Thailand, our long-term partner, and there's a teacher who wants to give that course. It's one of the, the kind of courses that in Metropolia there's only, say, less than 5 teachers who are willing to give that course since it's not that easy to give. Okay, but we have an excellent teacher from Thailand who has actually got her degree, was it from University of Colorado or something like that. Okay. This is more good stuff. IoT from front end to back end. Not Japanese, although the name is Takashi, but it's also Lynch-Bichler from Austria. Okay. From Joinum University of Applied Sciences, Austria, giving a very hands-on course on IoT devices. So basically a system that measures something and it connects to some sort of cloud service to put the data there and that kind of things. It's very hands-on, and it's also, if you like the play with Raspberry Pi, then you would love that one. Maybe. Then we have Spanish speaking and listening skills. Then we have the same teacher as for the that pointers course. She wants to also give some of her so it's basically introduction to Spanish culture, but also at the same time it's a language course. So if you have some prior Spanish language, so basically this could be very interesting. Then a little bit more into, say, higher tech, so introduction to machine learning. Okay, machine learning is everywhere now. It used to be science, say 10 years ago. Now it's everywhere. You need local intelligence on all kind of machines, or a let's see, what is Parvi? It's the distributed intelligence kind of thing. So basically, we have two professors from Tokyo giving that course, right? Then media engineering specialty, XML-based cross-media publishing. Our good partner from the Stuttgart, that's Stuttgart Media University. There is a professor coming teaching the XML-based cross-media publishing. Okay, so if you like to do media kind of things like, we have this introduction to web development, and then maybe after that some other web course. So this is advanced stuff. Okay, and then, well, that's that's basically it's offering on the last one, the Explore Finland. It's basically targeted to our new exchange students. So I would say you probably, if you have already lived here for a while, so you don't get anything from attending that, but that's my opinion. Okay, all right. Did we still have? Yes, we still are waiting for one course description, and then after that we will also have a course, something about measurement systems, 3 credits, how to build up a system that measures something on the environment. It's a also Number University or University of Applied Sciences. There is a professor coming here, and that's also hands-on stuff. Very hands-on stuff. Okay, so that's your primary choice for summer studies, and they all are on August. Let's see some of the secondary options. Secondary option is virtual studies, and the list is, well, so these are self-paced courses, everything totally 100% virtual, and basically you have the list there. All kind of IT courses, and I would say most of these courses would be thought about as as a part of your professional studies. Okay, just one reminder, they have the price tag, but if you're a degree program student in Metropolia, that's 0. Okay, it's free for our own students, and then basically you need to basically contact directly to the teacher or whoever name is here if you want to take any of those classes. Okay, that's the secondary. Third opportunity. Oh, there. I wouldn't put those in third or fourth. Okay, so I will just mention those. Aalto and University of Helsinki have their own MOOC courses, and those MOOCs are basically free of charge, but the content and extent vary quite a lot. You are already taking the Java. Okay, that's one of the offerings. That's Helsinki University. Java MOOC classes, what you are taking with Olli Aho. Okay, there are some similar courses there too. If you are not sure if that a particular course could be part of your studies, check it before you enroll. So send me an email about, okay, I'm planning to take this course, give a short description, what course since I don't remember all of those, of course. And then I can give you, say, answer yes or no if it can be part of your professional studies. Okay. But anyways, you are entitled to have 15 credits as elective studies. So if you want there, playing violin in summer school, well, you just take it. but it will be your electives. Yeah. And then there's these summer universities. Aalto Summer University and then Helsinki University running the summer university. Okay. And then some. Summersemester.fi. That 21, that's almost all University of Applied Sciences. I think there are 2 missing. Yes, the Police Academy, and I think, wait, let's see, there's another University of Applied Sciences missing from that one. Okay, Police Academy, I think they don't have any open courses there for a reason. Okay, but anyways, there are some courses, and basically, I think there are also plenty of same courses and same topics. Since this is basically just a advertisement channel for all the University of Applied Sciences to, push the courses there. If you find Metropolia course there, don't use this portal, but directly either to the teacher or find the course code on OMA and enroll using OMA. So you don't need to go through the summer semester the management. Okay, one more, which is missing from this one. I should probably make a note. There have been a couple of times of notes of our professional summer school. Have you heard of that? No. What did I send you some? No, I didn't. Professional summer school. There, it's actually on the same page as the other summer offerings or open university offerings. Oh yes, summer studies, yes. Professional summer school is run by Metropolia, Laurea on the other side of the road, and Haaga-Helia, which is mostly on Pasila. Okay, these 3 University Applied Sciences have joined, made a kind of coalition, and we have some studies offered there together, and the main event, okay, digital well-being sprint, meaning a multidisciplinary course, 8 hours a day, 6 days, which would give you 5 credits. And there's a case, Lapinjärvi. How many of you know where the Lapinjärvi is? Yeah, near between Kouvola and Porvoo, right? About 1.5 hours from here, something like that, or less. Okay, Lapinjärvi is a very it's a small municipality, but anyways, they are quite active on the well-being stuff. They have their own projects going on, and we just happen to have the digital well-being sprint to kind of being on the same page as they are. And they gave us a task to solve one of their problems, and now we have an engine to do it. And we really would like to have more engineering students on that sprint. Okay, it takes, it will be 6 times 8 hours a day on multidisciplinary teams. So you wouldn't be working with the, fellow engineers at all. But as a part of a team where you have the social and healthcare students, business students, culture students, and then of course some engineering students. Okay, that should be on your interest. Should be. Okay, the digital well-being markets are growing, and that will be probably the next Nokia will be on this in this area. Although I'm not sure if the Nokia would be based in Finland, but that's a growing market in ICT, an application area. Okay, that's a good place to get to know new people from the other two universities, and then of course, well, study, gain 5 ECTS. It won't be easy though. It will be a sprint, meaning you will be working, in high mode for 6 days. Okay, a lot of things to learn. Okay, it's some sort of say boot camp or something like that. Dum dum dum. There are actually the let's see, accommodation. Let's see. Okay, there. So for digital well-being sprint, you would be using the enrolling form for students and exchange students in Laurea, Metropoli and Hagalia. Okay, that enrollment, and you can enroll right now. Enrollment time will end on 15th of May, so you have only 2 weeks to put your application in. And before that, this event is actually starts on 11th and ends on 18th of August. And before that, actually, during this month, there is a pre-assignment. It's not big, but anyways, a pre-assignment to check your basically. The main purpose is to get you oriented for this kind of application field, and another one is to help us, the teachers, to make a good groups for this event. Currently, we have 67 students enrolled from all of the 3 University of Applied Sciences, plus 6 members which are coming abroad. Okay. And so we need about, say, 20 to 30 students still there. And as I said, we are lacking technology students there. You will be needed right there on this event. And you'll be local gurus there. Think of it. Are there any bachelors here? Most of the enrolled students are now female. Okay, yeah, you have a question. Just a detail. Yep. Yes. Yeah, it'll take for a whole week basically. So it's daytime starting at was it 9-ish and then running until 4 o'clock at least. So it's all the time. Hmm? Yes, 100% attendance because it's a sprint and there is some certain methodology on it. So it's we have some of the master's students are actually there, kind of instructors on the method how it's going. So it's basically going as a say in programming there's a Scrum method. So this is kind of extended Scrum to other areas. There are these topical days, and you do one task each day, and finally you have this kind of the session for advertising your idea to be the best idea, pitching kind of session. So it'll be good stuff. Yeah. Oh, walking like Oh, you can walk around here. Working. Okay. Yep. But anyways, so this is an opportunity. It could be once in a lifetime opportunity, although we are planning to do it every single year from now with about the same topic. But this year we have a really good case. It's a real case from a good municipality of Lapinjärvi, and there'll be also some prizes. Last year, the team which came second basically continued their um, topic, and now it's a company, startup company. They got, was it 200,000 of funding for their idea. So that kind of things can happen. I'm not saying that this year we would be as lucky as last year, but there are plenty of possibilities for that kind of either self-employment opportunities after this, or continuing with the same topic for some employer, or you never know. Okay, so yes, consider that. In addition to that, we also have these other courses. Okay, but in these other courses, if it's anything technology, then it's offered by Metropolia. You can take the same course from the open courses. If you go by this one, it doesn't give you anything. It's easier to go and enroll using Vina. The Ovi. Oma, not Oviport. Oma. I'm getting tired. Okay. Then you can also, I'm planning to extend some of the courses you are right now, but don't count on it yet. I really would like you to finish whatever you have started on this academic year. And, do not, let the courses hanging during the summer. But I'm planning also to make the plan B, meaning it doesn't cost me anything to just extend everything. It's my job here is to make sure you do your deeds. So I'm interested only on the credits you get, study credits you get, and whatever it's needed to get you to the studying mode. If you want to or have to extend for job reasons or some other reasons, so that you cannot finish the courses during the May, I'm planning also to extend those with the more virtual mode. Since they, in any case, have been quite virtual. I have been virtually somewhere else half of the time. Yes, question. Oh, okay. Yeah. CCNA 1 is required, yes, on uh, 1 and 2. Yeah, we just need to make sure the take from the that network engineering the tutor, if that course online is, good enough to continue from that one. Since we have we have also our own equipment there, and I'm not sure, since I don't know if those courses give you the same stuff what we have on this, on face-on courses here. Since yeah, I know. Uh, how about next fall? Have you checked the basically workspaces? Pum, 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 pum. Mm, documents, courses 17 and 18. Evening studies. Let's see if they are. We had some problems with getting a teacher for that course, but okay. Internet technologies. I think they're these. Are they? I think they are these. Communication networks, virtual area. Okay. 1 and 2. Oh, okay. We need to fix that. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. They have. They should have the parentheses CCNA 1, 2, 3, 4. We used to have them, but something is missing here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. As I said, it's better to check from the teachers now. So let's see. Not who is the tutor for the network engineering? Let's see. I don't remember the names here. Well, because the name is actually from. Ah. Okay. I need to check it. I will have the answer next week at the latest. I will check it. I will check it for you. Since at some point we had a plan to run it actually on this May, some sort of intensive kind of thing. But it seems that it. Mm, okay. Yeah. Mm. Oh, okay. It's probably the same. The content should be the same since basically the that course in test out it's made for to get ready for that Cisco certificate test, which is about the same as the same in academic side, I guess. But that's I need to check it. I need to check if that is the case. Cannot tell you exactly since it could be. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Something happens. Something magic happens, and you can continue. Otherwise, if that is not the case, then we just need to, include those courses here, face on, and modify it a little bit. Okay. Yes. We'll just make an email. Email. Sorry. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Why are they actually appearing in here? Good. Oh, hmm. There we go. All right. So I just sent an email to Sari Rannisto, who should know exactly what's happening with the CCNA 1 and 2. I should know that since somehow I have a feeling that I've asked it already from the person who is in charge of the network engineering. But okay, I will let you know, or Sari will send a message to clarify it to be on the safe side. All right. So um, so fundamentally, these are our offerings on the summer studies 2017. Any questions? Yes. There's a once in a lifetime, basically, since, well, once in a year, since we have the teachers coming just for this course to Metropolia. So basically, they are teachers only for that 1 week, and basically after that, they are gone until the next year. Yes. Hmm. Yes. If it's anything about ICT, then it's professional study for you. And if you are not sure, just send me email. Just verify. Yep. Next. Hmm. I think it's a little bit flexible on that course. Depending, well, this is the first time that the teacher is here. And but anyways, on those evening classes, whenever we have had that, so it's not strict on exactly the 5 o'clock if you cannot make it. I hope that she also. Oh, actually, she mentioned that she would have some good material online. Hmm. Ah, okay. Yeah, or maybe we could actually stream it so you can walk and roll up the stream and then you just make sure that you are walking on the flat terrain. Okay. Any other questions? Like, if not, that's all what I've had to say about the summer studies. Okay, just study hard. Lots and lots of notes. Good. Thank you.